Hey, this is Paul. This is repair for Chris. This is a K7400. Came to me, it was working. It had a lot of interference on the screen. Looked kind of like a grounding problem. I did a cap kit and a good reflow, and there is no more grounding issue. Everything's looking good. Picture's looking good. All the colors are there. They look great. Yeah, that's better. Turn up the brightness a little bit. Screen voltage is what I turned up. We are looking good. All Nichicon caps put in. I replaced 7 watt resistor with a 10 watt. That was way out of spec. Let me shut it down. I've replaced these ceramic caps right here. Polypropylene caps, metallized caps. Those red guys right there. They're always out of spec. Some work was already done to the neck board, so I just left as is. I put a new B+ pot and a new shutdown pot and adjusted them all, so there should be very minimal adjustments needed. This guy's ready to be boxed up and sent back. See it.